Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Preeti and I make content related to skincare, makeup, and fashion. So today I'll be reviewing Swiss Beauty makeup brush set. Let's see whether it is worth to buy or worth the hype. And I've also done the review on the Mars Titan brush set. If you haven't watched it, I would request you to please go and watch it. The link will be in the caption as well as you can click on the I button over here, but after watching this video. So without a further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm done with the application and this is how my face is looking. Ideally and honestly, this is not bad, okay? But it's now time for my honest thoughts on these brushes. So let's go one by one and see how I felt. And then I'll also be rating individual brushes so that you know which one to buy and which one not to. First one, we have this foundation brush. Coming to the look and feel of the brush, it is very good, and especially the grip part, it's amazing. Okay, but coming to the bristle part, are they super soft? No, it's not. It's quite soft. It also does a good job. So the blendability is amazing. I had already done one of the review on the mask brush set compared to that of the foundation brush. Compared to that foundation brush, this foundation brush really works better. This brush is really good for me, and if I have to rate it, I'll definitely give 4 out of 5. Compact brush. Again, the look and feel of the brush is great and the grip is amazing. Here the bristles are also quite soft. This for the entire face area is good, but if you want to reach out under your eyes, corner of your nose, it's little difficult because it does not have a pointy edge. I didn't like it. I didn't quite like it for the compact powder, but it really does a good job for the blush. So I think I'll be mainly using it as a blush brush rather than the compact brush. So I'll be rating this 3 out of 5. The concealer brush. Only the top part is smooth and flexible, where the bottom part is stiff, which is making blending very difficult. You can take the product and dab it, but blending with this brush is not proper. I did not like the brush how it's performing at all. So I'll be rating this 1 out of 5. Eyeshadow applicator brush. I really like the sturdy grip and also the brush tip. You know what? This kind of flexibility is required for the concealer brush. I did really like it. The way it performs is good. It's easy. I was able to blend the eyeshadow with the same brush. So I'm rating this 4 out of 5. Eyeshadow blender brush. Blunder. Every time I make this blunder. Blending brush. Honestly, this is not the blending brush. Can you just see? It's so difficult. It's not at all moving. And it is so small. I expect the blending brush to be a little more fluffier so that I can target areas. I can use this more of a highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes or something, but as a blending brush I cannot give so much of time into this. But the bristle quality, the grip quality is really good, but for what purpose it is mentioned, it is really time consuming, so I'll just give 1 out of 5. Highlighting and lash brush. I'm definitely not gonna use this for my eyelash, so I'll be using probably for my I'll be using this for my eyebrow, and this pulley is all fine. Coming to the other side of the brush, this is more of an angled brush. I don't know how it is a highlighting brush, but I used it to contour my nose and the other area of the face, and yes, it is good. It performed also good, so I can rate 3 out of 5. What else? These two brush, if you're planning to buy them individually, then it's gonna be beneficial for you. I'll definitely not suggest you to buy the entire set. If you're watching this video for an honest review, then I will recommend you these from this range. They also have their other ranges, but from this range I will recommend you these two brushes, foundation brush and eyeshadow applicator brush. But you can also give a try for this angled and the spoolie brush, I mean the highlighting and the lash brush. That's it I had for you all in today's video.
Please comment me down which was your favorite brush set from this video, and if at all you own this brush, what different I could have done on this video. And also, if you would like to see a video on difference between the Mars Titan brush set and also the Swiss Beauty makeup brush set, do let me know that as well. I can plan for you all. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay safe, be happy, take care, and before I take a leave, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel so that I will come up with yet more honest review videos on my channel, which is gonna be helpful for you all. I love you all. Take care. Bye bye.